Hello and welcome to my channel, the Umar's Hub, Math Hub. Today we will try to solve the algebraic equations. Today's our target is to explore and to think about the algebraic equations, how to simplify and solve them. Firstly, the question 1 says, simplify the following questions. Part A, there are altogether 4 parts, so we will try to solve all the parts and I will give my best to understand you. So the first part says 4a plus 3b plus 3a. We will have to simplify these terms. Firstly, you have to understand that the same variables will be collected in one side and we will add them or subtract them. Easily we will add them or subtract them. Today we will only learn about how to add the variables, same variables and with different coefficients. The first part says 4a plus 3b plus 3b plus 3a. We will first collect the like terms. This 4a will be collected with 3a. 4a plus 3a will give you 7a plus the 3b is alone with no other variable, so it will be written as it is. So now this will be solved like this. 7a plus 3b is last answer. This is the simplest form we have to simplify. This is the simplest form. The second part says 6a plus 7b plus 2a plus b. Firstly, we will collect the like terms 6a plus 2a and 9b plus b. So 6a plus 2a will give you 8a and 9b plus b will give you 10b. The coefficient with b is always 1. If there is no coefficient with b, you have to understand that it is written 1. So 9b plus b will give you 10b. So the third part says 10a plus 12b plus 18a plus 10b. Then again we will collect the like terms 10a plus 19a and 12b plus 10b. So 10a plus 18a will give you 28a and 12b plus 10a will give you 22b. Then the last part of our question and our today's class, the last part says, and this is a tricky question, so attention your mind. 6a plus 14b plus 9c plus 2a plus 7b plus 10c. We have to simplify and solve them step by step. This is the question of only one step, so it will not take us so much time. In seconds, you can easily understand it. It's not a humble. 6a plus 2a. This is the like terms with same variables, we will collect them. 6a plus 2a, 14b plus 7b. 14b plus 7b and 9c plus 10c. 9c plus 10c. Then when we have collected the like terms, so 6a plus 2a will give you 8a and 14b plus 7b will give you 21b and 9c plus 10c will give you 19c. So how these questions will be solved? I hope you that you have understood our today's class. So now here are some practice questions for you. And I hope that you will try to solve these questions, try to solve these practice questions in your home. 2a plus 7b plus 9a, the first question. 10a plus 12b plus 14a is the second question, and 6b plus 14b plus 7c and plus 10c is our third question. I hope that I hope that you can easily solve these questions, because if you have solved if you have understand the first question that I have explained already, so you can easily attempt these questions. So I hope that you will understand at today's class. Best of luck, and don't forget to comment and like and share and subscribe our today's video. Thanks.